Hi, in this video we're going to be addressing post-op care after knee arthroscopy. When you get home from the surgery center, your knee will look similar to this. You'll have an ice pack. You could have cold therapy if you opted to do that, or just a more traditional ice pack like Brian's wearing here today. After 24 hours, you can take your dressings off. So it's been a day now. We can undo Brian's ice pack and remove this for the time being. Next, we're going to remove his ACE wraps. Again, there may be some blood on this. That's totally normal, and don't be alarmed by that. You may need help to remove your ACE wraps. It's kind of a two-person job. Once the ACE wraps are removed, you'll get down to the gauze layer. You'll have these larger gauze pads on top. Remove those. Next, you'll see the more traditional gauze. You can just remove those. Again, these may have blood on them, and that is totally normal. Now you'll be down kind of to the wounds. You may see these yellow pieces of gauze. These may come off as well. What I do not want you to remove are your steri strips. Please leave these in place. They help approximate the wound and help with healing. If they fall off on their own, it's not a problem, but I don't want you peeling them off or taking them off yourself. In terms of wound care, at this point I want you just to leave the wound alone. Don't put any lotions or ointments on the wound, just leave it as it is. In terms of showering, you may shower, but you have to keep your wounds dry. With a knee arthroscopy, it's probably easiest just to cover them with a waterproof Band-Aid. If you don't have access to waterproof Band-Aids, alternatives are wrapping your knee with saran wrap tightly, stepping into a trash bag and securing it around your thigh. I'll have you avoid getting them wet for at least a week until you return to the office for your 1-week post-op wound check, when we may remove the stitches at that time. Once the dressings are off, you can leave it exposed to the air like this, or you can re-wrap it with these same ACE wraps. These ACE wraps can be washed in the washing machine if they do get dirty. There's no special care for those. The dressing change has been done. Brian's ready to get back to icing at this point. I never want him to place his ice pack directly on his skin. Always placing a towel, an empty pillowcase, or your ACE wraps again. If he's wearing sweatpants, he can place the ice pack on top of the sweatpants and wear it like this. But again, ice never directly on the skin over the wound. If you have any questions or concerns, please don't hesitate to call the office, and we'll see you at your 1-week appointment. Thank you.